Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Dan Auto. So in the today's series we are going to discuss how to work on Boolean operation, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to like, share and subscribe. And without wasting your time, let's go to CATIA screen and see how Boolean operation work.
So guys, earlier we heard about Boolean operation. In the today's session, we discuss how Boolean operation work and how to work on Boolean operation. So let's switch to CATIA screen. But guys, before going to CATIA, I want to explain in short about Boolean operation. So guys, as you see that using Boolean operation, what is Boolean operation? So Boolean operation is a concept derived from the mathematics. The principle of Venn diagram is what is used here. CATIA allows you to add, subtract, intersect between two bodies. In the earlier video guys, hope you have heard about add, subtract, intersect between two bodies. And also CATIA have other advanced Boolean operations like union trim and remove lump, but the basic idea is the same guys. And in CATIA you can also divide your CAD into simpler geometries and Boolean them to get complex features. So to do Boolean operation guys, we need to insert bodies first, then we can operate those bodies to get the result. So let's switch to CATIA screen and see what happened and how Boolean operation perform. So guys, today we are going to create this product which is look like a supporting block. So let's see how we will create it using Boolean operation. So I'm going to CATIA. Then let's click on start, then mechanical design, then part design. And here I'm going to name it as suppose I'm name it as Boolean operation. So guys, right now we are entering to part design. As you know that our first step is to create a point and select a plane. Then after we will create the sketch. But guys, here you saw that most of my commands are not visible in the screen. So if you are having same trouble, you can go to tools, then after customize, then go to toolbars, then restore all contents, click on OK, then restore positions, then click on OK. Now we have almost all the commands that we are going to use here. So let's start with a point. Where is point? Let me check. Here is the point. Yes. Then click on OK. Okay, fine. And now we have to select the plane. Suppose I'm choosing YZ plane. We'll go to position sketch and then let's click on position sketch, and here in the origin type I'm choosing project point, and in the project point we have to click this point, and here always check the direction of origin. Horizontal is on the right and vertical is on the top, and then click on OK. So let me check my figure. So this is 25, this is 25, and this is at a distance of 6, and OK. Like same we are going to create, guys. So for that, here I am choosing centered rectangle and create a rectangle here. Breadth of the rectangle is 25 and length become also same, guys, according to process sheet. This is also 25. And then after I'll create a point here and constraint it with 6 mm according to given figure, guys. Always remember that this point should be our construction geometry. So this is the symbol for construction geometry in the sketch toolbar. Now I'm going to create a line from this corner to this point. But you guys can see here that there is a green line, green dotted line showing here. So what we will do, just left click on this line and click on this construction geometry symbol. This happened because our construction geometry command is activated. When we deactivated this, then this line will look like normal line, as you guys can see there. So now we are going to trim this using trim option. So where is trim? this is trim. So I'm going to trim this line with this. Click on yes, and this point, this line should be intersecting geometry. And now if we check sketch solving status, you guys can see that this is ISO constant and we don't have any other profile like point or anything else. And here you can also that in the general status it shows all checked parts. It means it is fully constant. So exit from the sketch and insert a new body. Name it as suppose I'm going to name it as base. BSE. And I'm going to pad this sketch with a length of 28 and mirror extend this. So it will look like this. By clicking preview you can also check how your 3D model look like and then click on OK. So in the next step we are going to create this rectangular hole. As you guys see in isometric view that there is a rectangular hole in between the supporting block. So let's check the dimension for rectangular block. Height is I think it's 15 and from the bottom of the base it is 5 mm. Okay, this side breadth is 15. So guys, length and breadth becomes 15 and from the bottom of the base it is 5. So again I'm going to create another sketch with the new. Before that I have to define in work object in geometrical set, then click on position sketch and in the reference I'm choosing ZX plane and in the origin type I'm choosing project point. Click on point 1 and then check the direction of origin. Horizontal is in right and vertical is in top and then click on OK. Now take this. Now guys, select the centered rectangle, or you can also centered rectangle is better. So you guys, my suggestion is you guys also choose centered rectangle from the center we'll make a rectangle. And I'm going to constrain this rectangle. So length of this rectangle is 15. And breadth is also 15. And from the bottom it is 5. So you guys see that this purple color is showing. It means our sketch is not constant, it is over constant. So how to troubleshoot it? Just simply by deleting this equidistance from here. Now you guys see we get the sketch according to our requirement. Now exit from the sketch. And then insert a new body. And in the new body pad this rectangle. So here I'll click on mirror extend so that we got the profile as we required. Then click on OK. So guys, according to given process sketch, we have a hole here. So how we can make a hole? Because after padding this rectangular body, it will look like this. So how we can hole here? Just simply by using Boolean operation, guys. Earlier session you heard about remove, Boolean operation in remove. So here we are going to using remove option. So first I'm going to define work object in base body, which is our this body, and then right click on body 3, click on body 3 object, and then remove, and then click on OK. So you guys see that half of our body is created. So let's complete this. So again I'm going to define work object in geometrical set, then click plane, and this time I'm using same plane, that is ZX plane, and then click on position sketch, and in the origin type I'm choosing project point, then click on point 1 and change the direction of horizontal axis. Vertical axis is in the top, and then click on OK. So now we are going to create this side and this side. So length is 5 mm and breadth is 5 mm and breadth is 10 mm. Okay. And these two profiles are coincident with the top of our base body. Okay. So again I'm choosing rectangle here and create the rectangle and then make it coincident with the base body from both the sides. Click on OK and again click on the rectangle and click on our base body and then click on constraint define dialog box and then click on coincidence, then OK. Now I'm going to constraint this rectangle. I think length is 5 and width becomes 10. By right clicking auto search, I'm going, you guys in the screen see here that our rectangular is highlighted with orange line. So now I'm going to mirror this rectangle to this side. In other words, we can say that we can symmetry this rectangle to this side. So for that we have a command here which is known as mirror. So here you guys see that select a line or axis from which the element will remain equidistant. So I need this side. For that I have to choose this vertical axis. So we got same profile like that. And again I'm going to exit from the position sketch and then insert a new body and pad both of these rectangle by using mirror extend so that we can create a cut section here and then click on OK. So from the main body we have to remove this body 4. So for that what we have to do, we have to define work object in base, then right click on body 4. Here I'm choosing remove and then click on OK. So you guys see that how Boolean operation work, and almost 80% we have completed our 3D model. Now rest part is, let me check once guys. Yes, so this step type block, we have two step block here, which is 5 mm in breadth and 15 mm in length from the base. Okay, and this should be 40 mm, 14 mm of pad distance. 15, 5, 14. Okay. So again I'm going to define work object in geometrical set. I'm choosing the same plane, that is ZX plane. Then click on position sketch, and in the object type I'm choosing project point, and in the project point I'm choosing point 1, and now checking the origin directions. Horizontal should be in right and the vertical should be on top, and then click on OK. And now I'm choosing rectangle here, create a rectangle, and I'm going to coincidence this rectangle from the base body by clicking constant define dialog box, and then click on coincidence, then click on OK. And from this side also we need coincidence, so click on the rectangle line, click on the base body line, and click on constant define dialog box, then click on coincidence, then OK. So according to the given diagram, we know that this distance is 5, and length of it is 10 or 15. So again right click on the rectangle line, then go to line 4 object, and here I'm choosing auto search, so my whole rectangle becomes selected. Now I'm going to mirror it, that is symmetric. Here is the mirror option. I'm going to choose vertical axis, and then exit from the workbench. Now I'm inserting new body, and click on pad. Here in the profile surface I'm going to select both of the step block, or you can say rectangular block, and then click on OK. We need this pad with the distance of 14 mm according to the given sketch. Now you see guys, there is a crack between both the surfaces or body, but in the given process sheet or isometric view there is no patches there in between both of them. So how we can clear it? We know that body 5 is connected to our body. So simply by adding this with the base body. So how we can do that, guys? Simply by define work object in base and then right click on body 5, then body 5. In body 5 I'm choosing here add and click on OK. So you guys see that now we don't have any patches in between both of them, and also our supporting block is ready according to the given isometric view. This is our isometric view, you guys can see there, and this is our output, guys. So hope you guys can understand that how Boolean operation work and how Boolean operation create complex design just by simply using add, remove, union, trim, assemble, etc. So guys, feel that keep practicing and keep learning. Happy modeling. Thank you.